intermission, guys. Intermission. The chef needs his plate. Okay, back to our interview.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean through. And I pray that it won't be over soon.
Thank you.
Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep.
Had a free lunch.
We almost forgotten to pay the meal. Thank God I actually remembered.
Together ever since we left, I guess it just makes sense to what the
We have arrived! Look at the amount of things we have. I will take this.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night.
So let me show you guys the setup that we have today. We brought our own grill, our own pot and pan, and we have the view of the river. And it's gonna be so beautiful when we do our barbecue later on. So this is the dining area, which clearly has been filled with a lot of our snacks. And this is our tent.
Spider?
We got some Magoli and tiger.
Got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new.
First try of my chicken. So good. Nice.
Very good.
Teamwork. Say hi. My chicken burned. There. Alright. It's okay, we have 12 chicken wings.
That's all I know. You buy 6 是几鸡
Imagine if Rest in peace, chicken wing.
Shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you.
Oh, you know, I don't even need a knife.
Yeah, I can just break it.
Oh!
Yum yum.
Okay. I will. Woo! Imagine if you have rice. Kimchi fried rice. Ooh. Kimchi samgyeopsal.
You got a smirk on your face, darling, hooked on the feeling. Say you believe in honesty, so taking back all the lies left on your lips. And I'm a rush, our love is in a
Hey, a bit more.
Fate was always right. Try to stop me, stop me. I'm having second thoughts, thinking I should be the one that's on your love. Just not like me. Never be so hard to trust in I just wanna touch base on the feel that we needed. You could've swept those troubles away. It's dangerous in the healing, coming back easy. Well, go ahead and meet me halfway. You're mysterious, there's no doubting. Always overpowering, my thoughts keep on drowning. Our luck was never on my side. Come and stop me, stop me. I'm having second thoughts, thinking I should be the one that's on your arms. Just not like me, never feels alright to get lost in you. But yeah, I'm back again as long as you are too. I don't wanna risk.
And today we have Chef Chong, aka the birthday boy, cooking his own Wagyu steak. Woohoo!
Yo.
And so stick a bit.
Yeah.
I'm having second thoughts, thinking
Happy birthday to you. Today we're cooking some French toast, but obviously this is not a genuine French toast because there's no milk. But we are improvising. We're just putting some eggs and some sugar, and mix the French toast. We mix the bread and voila. French toast. It's our last day here.
I'm going to miss Charmaine's cooking. Yes.
I can always cook for you again.
Someday, somehow.
Hello. So it's our last day here in Dusun Bonda, and this place is really very beautiful and naturey.
Check out today.
Yes, today.
Check out today, okay. Medium body. Hey, what cheese is this? Goat cheese.
Oh! I knew it! It kind of tasted like it. But this sushi is good. I first time having a honey.
Ah, really?
Oh, the local salad is like so fresh.
Thank you. It's not no alcohol.
Cause you're the only reason that I have a smile on my face.
Time to cook your steak on your own birthday.
Yeah. Chef never rests.
Chef never rests. Learning from Gordon Ramsay, eh? So we tricked Jen Yu that he wasn't gonna get the cake that he wanted, but look what he got!
Favorite cake. If anybody's gonna get me a cake, it's gonna be the Varona chocolate and vanilla bean
Oops! It's
cake
good.
from inside school.
Yay!
This is the one. Cheers, everybody.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hi, happy Friday. I'm in IKEA right now and I'm going to be looking at some tables and chairs. My table has gone really old and I've been using it ever since I was like in primary school when I was 7. So I think it's time for a change. The good news is that my company actually gave us 500 ringgit to purchase any kind of home office equipment, so that was really nice of them. I saw the line outside IKEA and the line is pretty long and it's 11 AM. I hope I don't have to wait long to enter to IKEA, so fingers crossed.
Kissing in the front of my car, under the stars. I want you to know I'll take this love slow. How did you get so cool? I'm just a fool, falling for you. Don't wanna let you go. I'll take this love slow. We got so many years to learn each other's ways. I wanna know your ideas and love you every day. I spent so many tears waiting for this place. And now I want you to know I'll take this love slow. I'll take this love slow. Lying with you by my side under the pines, we never wanna go. I'll take this love slow. Lazing in the afternoon in your room, turn the lights down low. I'll take this love slow. We got so many years to learn each other's ways.
Last leg.
I wanna know your ideas and love you every day.
I did it!
I spent so many tears waiting for this place. And now I want you to know I'll take this love slow. I'll take this love slow. I'll take this love slow, 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 slow. I'll take this love slow, 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 slow. We got so many